In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Booking.com Extranet. This simple process will help you access your account to manage your property efficiently. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other choice you like. Once your browser is open, navigate to the URL bar at the top of the screen and type in booking.com/extranet. This will take you right to the login page of the Booking.com Extranet. It's important to ensure that you're on the official site to keep your login information secure. On the login page, you'll see two empty fields where you need to input your username and password. Your username will usually be the email address you used when you registered with Booking.com. Carefully type in your password as well, making sure that it's accurate. Most passwords are case sensitive, so double check that your caps lock key isn't on by accident. Next, look for the button that says Sign In. It's typically located just below the password field. Click on that button and you're one step closer to accessing your Booking.com Extranet account. At this point, you might be prompted to complete a two-step verification process. This is an important security feature designed to protect your account. If prompted, a verification code will be sent to the phone number or email address linked with your account. Check your messages or email for this code and enter it into the designated field on the website. This only takes a moment and provides an added layer of security to keep your information safe. After successfully completing the two-step verification, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your property on Booking.com. From here, you can update room availability, change rates, review upcoming reservations, and much more. Familiarize yourself with the layout to take full advantage of the tools provided. That's all there is to it. Logging into your Booking.com Extranet account is straightforward, but these steps ensure that you can do it confidently and securely. Regularly updating your password and safeguarding your verification methods are great practices to maintain account security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these instructions, managing your property on Booking.com should be a smooth and efficient process. If you have further questions or need additional help, check out Booking.com's support center or contact their customer service for more personalized assistance. Happy property managing!